All right, guys, we're back. Another day, another dollar. Joel here.
Acquisitions Lou here. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you like this. Guys, if you're new to the channel, this is the first video you're seeing of us. Thank you for joining our niche wholesaling community. Let's get into it today.
All right, so today we're going to talk about JVing with us and what to expect. So if you're going to JV with us, expect us to put in the work. So we have buyers, but we always like to find new buyers on every transaction. And you guys gotta let us take over the process. If you're gonna be shopping it around as well, buyers are gonna see two different prices. It's gonna create some overlap and gaps in communication. We want you to be communicative with us.
Right, and guys, like really, you wanna treat this process as a business. So when you're coming to us with the information, number one, how are you presenting the package to us, right? Have, a sheet with the information, the ARV, local properties that you've seen that can be comps, etc. Come with an organized package that you can just send to us that we can get to our buyers, that we can make the process as seamless as possible, right? We want to get it quick. We want to move the property quick and get you paid as quickly as possible, right? So remember how you present in the package and be as efficient as possible. And like he said, communication, don't disappear, right? If we're talking to you and we're moving as fast as possible, we expect the same from you. Let's make money together.
Yes, sir. So listen, guys. What you should do is search Fire Cash Buyers on Google, go to the menu, look up the investor page. There's an investor page, fill out the information if it's a fire damage property. If it's not, send an email to jv@firecashbuyers.com. Send us photos, access to a property, details on the property, your comps. We get on a call with you, someone from our team will get on a call with you. We'll review the deal together. Let's work together. And then what we expect from you is to be communicative with us. If we reach out to you, don't ghost. We don't want to have our buyers go in there with questions and we can't reach you. If you're shopping it around also, the problem is your buyer may be interested, our buyer may be interested, you may ghost, you're gonna waste our time. Don't do that. Let's work together so we can do repeat business together.
That's it, guys. Don't forget, let's work together, repeat business. Our buyers are hungry. They're hitting us up every day, nationwide. Do you have properties? They want to pay you. Yes, so let's work together. Let's work together. All right, until the next one, signing off, like, subscribe, comment. If you guys have ideas and information you want to see us talk about, comment below. We'll make videos about it. Until the next one, peace.
Niche wholesaling for the win. Peace.